Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Frostspore Whale Shark in Heartopia. So actually, there was a bug that made it super difficult for you guys to trigger the phase in the event. But basically, you're going to now start the Frostspore fish event. So talk to Vanya about that. Then you're just going to start fishing. Well, start the event first and start fishing. I'm just going to use the mermaid attractor for this as well. And I will be back once I have triggered the phase and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So you're going to want to fish as much as you can, and then when you have 10 seconds left is where you're going to want to place your fishing rod in the water. Not near any fishes though, just leave it in the water like this. I don't know if this is supposed to do anything, but it did trigger the extra phase for me. So when there's the extra phase, you're going to want to take out your mermaid attractor again, as well as your perfume, because it does make fishing way easier. And as you can see, I got the whale shark. I got a lot actually. And if you didn't use the perfume, you'll know you've caught the whale shark when the shadow is kind of big. Actually, I think it's medium, but the line will be yellow and it's going to turn red and it's going to be harder to catch basically. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.